Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be making some easy jewelry. We've got some jewelry pieces. We've got the tray, glass, and necklace piece here, and I got those on Amazon. Then we've got some stays-on. We've got the word love from the Well Said stamp set. And then I picked out a piece of designer series paper. I love both sides, so I'm only going to use probably a little corner of it so that I could save the rest for my paperwork. And let's go ahead and get started. This is what we're going to do. We are going to choose what we like, and you can just move it around, see what you like. If you want to get everything in there, like that would be pretty if you don't have any words or anything, but I want some words on there, so I am going to go with that color to give this light. I could also go right about here to get a little bit of everything, but I really like for the words for this to be on there. So I'm going to lightly take a pen and go around about the top and the sides here so I know where my middle is going to be. I'm going to take my stays on and the word love, and we're going to ink that up really well. And then I'm just going to put that little word love. I think I'm going to put it kind of in the corner right here. And there we go. Oh, so cute. And now we're going to take some of the fine tip glue pen. We're going to put this little guy on here on the back side, and you're going to want to get that all on there. And take this and line that up, getting that love where you'd like it. There we go. Perfect. We're just going to let that sit for just a moment there while I put this lid. It's going to take me forever and a day. There we go. I actually got it. And we're just going to let that sit for just a moment. Okay, I cleaned up my stamp and put that away, and now I'm going to just take my scissors here, and I'm going to cut off the square. And then the same on this side. And then I'm going to trim all the way around. And it's really easy to trim. You just, well, that's about it. You just hold it right up to the glass there. And we've got that nice trim. We've got that love on there. And now we're going to take that tray and look at all that's used. So you can do it with so many pieces of the designer series paper. We're going to take this again after I went and put it all in there. We're going to put this on the base. And of course, I'm not going to get it in this time now that I want to have it fast. There we go. I'm going to set that right inside there. And look at that lovely piece. Isn't that so pretty? And then we have this here. and this little piece will be going on my Etsy shop, and I'll put that link down below as well. So I hope you like it. I certainly do. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to make sure you see more of what I make, hit that subscribe button right down below. And then, of course, if you want to order any of the stuff that I've used today, I'll put the link down below. You can go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net for the beautiful designer series paper. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.